We started off our journey in kindergarten by offering invitations for learning. One of the invitations was a bouquet of flowers that we put out to see what the learners might do. So we put out some buttons, we put out little popsicle sticks that were green, and we just kind of wanted to see what the learners would do. And in terms of CRRP, Gloria Ladson-Billings talks a lot about high expectations. So we know that our learners are capable, they're competent, and they're rich in potential. So we just wanted to offer them materials to be able to think and communicate their thoughts. And what they ended up doing was they took some of the sticks and they created all of these wonderful flowers after looking at the flowers in detail using the magnifying glass.
We ended up adding different types of jewels because we added the orange flowers,
Yeah.
different color flowers, and they started looking at the petals and asking, "Oh, is this actually real?" So that way we got to build on their knowledge of flowers, real and fake.
And we started changing up the materials, so we were layering new opportunities. We brought in some different loose parts, then it was buttons, and then we offered some plasticine, and now we have paint for them to explore. And what was interesting was the learners, as they were looking at the flower, they started inquiring. As Alana said, they asked whether the flower was real. So we offered this to the whole class, and what we ended up doing was we started thinking about what we wondered about that concept. So a lot of the learners observed and started thinking about they will not be like the other flowers ever again. They are bending down. If they are fake, they can't die. They were soft. Fake ones don't die and real ones do. So we actually left it at the wonder window to see actually what happens to it and what that means to them. So we still have it in our classroom space. So as it decomposes, they will continue to ask questions. We will continue to wonder, and we'll start recording our wonderings and offering it on the other side to build our understanding around decomposition.
So what we started off with was a bouquet of flowers that we put out as an invitation for the children to kind of manipulate using the loose parts. And we noticed that they started touching the flowers, asking if it was real or it was fake. So we kind of waited for it to wilter. We were going to throw it out, and we kept it, and we took it into our community circle. And we started asking them, what do you notice that's different from how it looked last week? And they said, well, it's leaning over, it's kind of drying up. So we asked, is it real or fake? And so we put it in our wonder window. We also got this plant, so they're kind of comparing and contrasting as to, oh, the leaves look a little bit different, the petals look a little different. And they started touching it, saying that it's soft. And real flowers are usually soft, and plastic flowers aren't as soft.